The first product on our list is the iPhone XR. This is our best smartphone under $500. For those who want premium level quality and performance without the associated cost, Apple has listened and delivered with the iPhone XR. It doesn't come with cutting-edge hardware or a game-changing display. Instead, the XR sports a 6.1-inch display with a resolution of just 828 by 1792, but its color reproduction is stunning, and its viewing angles are highly competitive. The blacks aren't as pronounced as, say, the iPhone XS, but that's a small price to pay for a sub-$500 smartphone. Plus, it has an oleophobic coating that makes it scratch-resistant and durable. The features include Lightning USB. The Lightning USB port this device offers gives you ridiculously fast charging speeds. NFC connectivity. The NFC connectivity makes it easy to transfer files without any cords. 4K video recording. You can record smooth and highly detailed 4K UHD video with this smartphone. The pros are great sound quality. The dual speakers on this smartphone offer excellent audio quality for listening to music and watching videos. Bright display. The display on this phone is very bright with vivid color representation. Long battery life. You can get up to 25 hours of talk time with this phone, so constant recharging isn't necessary. And for the cons, the rear camera on this smartphone doesn't offer 2x optical zoom. Measuring 5.94 by 2.98 by 0.33 inches with a weight of 6.84 ounces, this phone is a bit on the small side compared to other modern options. It has a durable water and dust-resistant IP67 rating, making it great for years of regular everyday use. Second product on our list is the Xiaomi Mi 9. If bells and whistles are your thing, but you don't want to pay a premium for them, the Xiaomi Mi 9 fits the bill. With a 6.4-inch AMOLED display and a resolution of 1080 by 2340, plus pixel density of 403 ppi, the Mi 9 offers a bright and beautiful display right out of the box. It also has an 85.23% screen-to-body ratio, making it perfect for gaming or video streaming. The Mi 9 sports an octa-core 2.8 GHz Cryo 485 64-bit processor combined with 6 GB of RAM for great performance, as well as 128 GB of internal data storage. The main camera on this phone takes stunning 48 megapixel photos and features a CMOS image sensor. There's also a 12 megapixel second camera, a 16 megapixel camera, and a front-facing camera that takes 20 megapixel photos. You can record video up to 4K UHD at a smooth 60 frames per second. This is one of the more impressive camera setups we've seen in smartphones at this price range. The features include USB-C. This phone's USB-C port gives you the ability to charge it up quickly every single time. Fingerprint sensor. There's a sensor on the front of this device that scans your fingerprint for instant access. Wireless charging. You'll be able to charge this phone wirelessly, so no more tangled cables to deal with. The pros are tons of internal storage. The 128 GB of internal storage provides you with plenty of room for all of your data. Triple camera. There are 3 cameras on the rear of this device, one of which takes 48 megapixel photos and records 4K video. Fast charging. You'll be able to fully charge this device in less than an hour, which is nothing short of impressive. And for the cons, the user interface that this phone offers isn't quite as intuitive as some others. When it comes to Chinese manufactured smartphones, the Mi 9 is truly unique and innovative in a number of ways. The third product on our list is the Google Pixel 3a. For some, a mid-range smartphone is all they need for their daily activities. In that case, the Google Pixel 3a is the perfect choice. It was never designed to be a premium smartphone, but it doesn't skimp on features where they count either. The Google Pixel 3a has a 5.6-inch OLED display with a resolution of 1080 by 2220 and a pixel density of 444 ppi. It has a scratch-resistant screen that is made of Dragon Trail glass for increased damage resistance. There's also an ambient light sensor that adjusts the screen brightness to help you conserve battery life. This phone's octa-core 2 GHz Cryo 360 64-bit processor offers a generous amount of power to keep your device running fast. There's also 4 GB of RAM, which is perfect for everyday multitasking. The 64 GB of internal storage cannot be expanded, but it should be enough for all of your data. The main camera on this device is capable of taking 12.2 megapixel photos and features optical image stabilization. The front-facing camera takes clear 8 megapixel photos. The features include fingerprint unlock. You can press your finger on the front sensor of this phone to securely unlock it every single time. Digital image stabilization. The main camera on this phone has built-in digital image stabilization for taking great-looking photos. NFC connectivity. The built-in NFC connectivity makes it easy to transfer files with friends without any cables. The pros are solid build. The aluminum body of this phone makes it very durable and capable of lasting a long time. Great battery life. You can get at least 35 hours of talk time from this phone, which is much better than many other modern smartphones. Supports all carriers. You'll be able to use this phone regardless of your mobile carrier. And for the cons, the internal storage of this phone cannot be expanded. The Google Pixel 3a offers a variety of useful features that can be incredibly useful and convenient, making it a solid overall smartphone. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. Okay.